In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive cards in Trello. Trello is a powerful tool for organizing tasks, projects, and ideas, but as your boards fill up, it can become overwhelming to keep track of everything. That's where archiving comes in. Archiving allows you to clear out completed or irrelevant cards without permanently deleting them, giving you a cleaner and more focused workspace. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through the entire process of archiving cards in Trello so you can keep your workflow smooth and clutter-free. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to www.trello.com. Once the page loads, look toward the top right corner and click on Login. From here, you'll either need to enter your email address or, if you prefer, you can choose a single sign-on option like logging in with Google or Microsoft. If you go with the email route, just type in your email, then enter your password when prompted. After that, go ahead and click Login to access your Trello account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Trello dashboard. This is where all your boards are displayed. Look for the board that contains the card you want to archive and click on it to open it. Now, locate the specific list where your card is stored. Each board is divided into lists, and each list holds multiple cards. Scroll through the list to find the card you want to archive. Once you've found it, hover your mouse over the card. You'll notice a 3 dots icon appear, usually in the top right corner of the card. This icon opens the quick menu for the card, so go ahead and click on it. In the quick menu, you'll see several options. Look for the one labeled Archive and click on it. As soon as you do, the card will disappear from the list, indicating that it has been successfully archived. And that's it. You've now archived a card in Trello. It's worth noting that archived cards aren't deleted. Trello simply moves them out of your active workspace to keep things tidy, and you can always retrieve them later if needed. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.